In this video, I'm going to show you how to group in Revit. Now to do this, first you want to make a selection of all the elements you want to group together. So there's a few ways to do this. You could go and just click and drag this selection over here, so just like this, and of course it's going to select your elements that you want to select, or you could just go and simply click on the first element, hold down your control key, and then click on all the other ones, and that's going to select them as well, okay? So for this instance, we're going to group just a few parts over here, so I'm going to click on this one over here, and then these things over here as well, and there we go. Let's say I now want to create a group out of this, so I want to group them. So as you can see, 4 elements are selected. I can now go to the Modify tab up top, and here you'll see under Create, there's going to be this button which says Create Group. Now you can also press GP on your keyboard. I'm just going to click on up here, and as you can see, there we go. It's going to create a group, and it's going to ask you what you want to name it. So I'm going to just name this one Group Tutorial over here, and I'm going to click on the OK button, and that's really all you have to do. It's going to create a group for you, okay? So that's essentially it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.